stop. You understand me?
What are you doing?
What the hell? What the hell? I don't even think that's legal.
That was so unnecessary.
About it.
Wait, what? The guy thinks the drone's illegal?
Yeah.
For what? What's illegal about it?
Because of its upsetting nature.
I don't know, and I don't even know why he's so upset. They're just flying it in the middle of the road.
That's male Karen right there, guys.
So true.
We
A
just
Kevin.
witnessed male Karen. Oh, it's gonna crash.
Ooh. It's not looking good.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Yo, do you get charged for murder? No, valid question.
The drone
If
is getting
your
a life
drone-
sentence.
But if it's your drone and it hits someone, who gets charged?
You would probably get in
You!
trouble.
Yeah, you don't get charged? Oh.
Well, I don't know.
That's-
Assault with a deadly weapon.
I don't know. Honestly, I'm just curious. Because don't you control those things?
You do, yeah.
What's going on, guys? I'm one of your hosts, Joss Bedard.
I'm Olivia Kozlowski.
Leave a like on this video. It really helps us out. But I know you guys want to get to these drone fails, so let's do it.
Is that a wedding?
It's a wedding.
Oh no!
Ah! Oh my gosh. Manslaughter.
Yeah.
Manslaughter.
To die on your wedding day, the worst day.
Oh, those wedding photos would be pretty epic though.
Yeah.
All those snapshots of it going in.
Oh my goodness.
That's bad. She got a bruise for sure. Oh. What's happening? Oh. Oh my gosh. That was so, okay, I didn't even see it.
I know, not at all.
It's so hard to spot, but you see it crash.
Holy
Did you see it go by?
Why are they doing that? Oof. I think that they're trying to like see how fast it can go.
And you're telling me that that won't kill someone? Manslaughter.
You can go to jail.
Literally, this actually reminds me of the golden snitch in Harry Potter.
Yeah.
I don't know why I thought of that, but like how it goes by you and you can't see it. That's what I thought of. I don't know. I'm on a different level today. Oh? Okay. What's gonna happen? Oh!
Did he just kill?
This is
That was his own.
Guys, we're seeing some crazy stuff right now.
This is nuts. Can't go to jail because he died.
Loophole.
I don't know what he was even trying to do. The beginning was kind of
He
cool.
just stood there. And he like, I feel like maybe he was trying to do this epic cool shot where he's like,
Yeah.
and then stop it, you know, by the time.
Right.
Because that'd be a cool shot.
Right.
Lost control.
Did not stop it. Right in the noggin.
Oh, he don't like it.
No. Oh, get it.
Oh, that's expensive.
That is very expensive. But why would you fly a drone around a monkey?
Oh! Oh, he wants to look at it. Oh, look at his little face. Oh my God, he's got a new toy.
Okay, I liked that one.
This is too cute. I'm not even mad. I'd be mad if it was mine.
Yes.
But that is so freaking cute. They're too curious, those monkeys. You can't do things like that.
They're so smart.
They are, and they're curious. And he's like, I'm gonna just get a new toy here. Oh, see? Oh.
Oh, he got scared. Aw. Yeah, well, that's what
Okay,
happens.
well. Oh, we eat that. Yep. Yeah, he's gonna destroy that now.
Yeah, you're done.
He was scared at first though.
He was
I
scared.
was actually surprised that like a lion would be scared of that.
Well, he's like, I've never seen this
I
before.
guess it'd be like an alien to them.
Maybe they thought it was like a bird or something?
You wouldn't be scared of a bird?
Well, maybe.
Lions?
Well, because
No,
they're not
that's
used to
cereal
things
to
coming
them.
right at them, you know?
I guess. Oh, water image. No!
like the owner who's flying the drone and just like having to watch that happen and knowing there's nothing you can do about it.
Nah, you can try and stick that in some rice. It ain't gonna do nothing. That's a thing.
Sticking it in rice? That's what everyone does.
Yeah, okay.
I've done it before,
with the
but
drone?
it does not work.
I would still try it though. Anything for my drone. It's a lot of money. Oh no. Oh, that's too good.
He's a good sport about it.
He called them a SOB at the end. In all good fun. My dad would have said worse probably. So.
Oh, that would have been so cool if the drone didn't
Kill him.
He was so close to sticking that landing, and the footage of that would have been epic.
Yeah.
Although this is pretty epic. You can still post this and get views.
Oh yeah.
We're helping them right now. Oh no. Oh, the baby. She's freaking out.
Oh, and it's
Baby's crying. Oh, mom's hurt.
Ugh, are gender reveals ever like smooth and nice and
No, I
fun?
see more fails than anything.
Honestly.
Just tell us if it's a boy or a girl.
Whatever.
Shoot me a text. Oh, this is bad already.
A drone in the ocean.
Oh,
Yeah.
Get it.
get it?
I
Let me dive into the ocean with the sharks and get this drone. Are you crazy?
That's like Kim Kardashian with her earring.
Her earring.
Yeah.
Kim, people are dying. It's true though. I'm not jumping in this ocean to get that drone.
No, my diamond earring.
That is so funny. All right, guys, bloopers are about to start. I was one of your hosts, Josh Bedard.
I've been Olivia Kozlowski.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Like manslaughter because it's not.
Yeah, like you didn't mean to, but it's like manslaughter because you freaking killed someone with your drone.
I like that you've just decided that that guy died. He's just taking a little selfie video.
That's pretty sweet though. You guys should tape like a camera to a monkey. Cause they are crazy. They go like the footage you would see.
That's so true.
I'm just saying.
That's so true. Day in the life
Of a monkey. You're welcome. We'll take a percentage later.